Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Money Steps. Today I'm going to brief about the market summary for 13 January 2022. So before we moving ahead, this video shouldn't be treated as a buying or selling course for the viewer. It should be as a learning progress recording for myself. Okay, so today KLCI is up by 6 points, up by 0.4%, closing higher comparing to previous day, with a total market volume of 3.456 billion share traded. Total market value is 2.11 billion ringgit. And the gainer is 343, which is lesser comparing to the loser 642, while the unchanged stock is 398. Daily candlestick is bullish. Market sentiment is mixed and negative bias because of the loser is outnumbers the gainers. And also the top volume page is full with negative counters closing. Short-term trending for the KLCI is uptrend. So we look at the market review. KLCI is much higher, leading by the heavyweight financial sectors. Looking at the global inflations that put in pressure to the central bank across the globe to rise interest rate. With the rising interest rate, interest income will increase for the banking sector. So we will go through the case study stocks as HLCAP, RHBBANK, AFFIN, TAKAFUL and MAYBANK. These stocks shouldn't be traded as a buying or selling call for the viewer. It's just a case study for myself as a learning progress. Let's have a look on the chartings. This is the KLCI charting, so we can see the trendings for the KLCI over the short term right here is moving upside. So we can see there is a clear directions of the KLCI is breaking the resistance level 1560 to testing it, see whether it can stand above 1560. So if it managed to stand above it, we may foresee the target for the KLCI toward higher will be 1600 level. Okay, let's have a look on the individual stocks. Firstly, we look at the HLCAP Hong Leong Capitals technical analysis. So we can see that these chartings, it managed to break out of the consolidation sideways. So it's testing and there's a volume coming in as well. So we can see that it could be a healthy signal for us. So the next things is we may look into is RHBBANK. So RHBBANK, we may zoom out a little bit so you can see the price is spiking up. So this one is the daily charts. We may zoom it out a bit to a weekly chart. We can see clearer pictures. So we can see that over here there's a strong resistance. It will be somewhere around 590 to 6 ringgit level. So it's going to testing this level. If the IHP managed to beat this resistance, it may going higher. It may going somewhere around maybe 680 or 690. So next would be the AFFIN bank. So this one is the daily charts. We zoom out a bit. We look at the weekly. So you can see the weekly, there's a clearer trend that the volume is spiking up and the stock is moving higher, breaking the resistance level. So you can see, right? So all these are very healthy symptoms to the banking side. So TAKAFUL. So TAKAFUL, this one is the charting of the TAKAFUL. You can see that the volume is coming in as well, breaking the resistance. Right, it's breaking the resistance, testing it. So you can see the volume is concentrating at these areas. It may be there's a accumulations signal over here, which is very good. So the last one will be MAYBANK. So MAYBANK daily chart. See if we can zoom out a little bit. We look at the weekly charts. So weekly chart as well. It haven't break yet, but it's now at the resistance level 850. So I believe the MAYBANK is potentially to break the resistance level. Once it's break, it may go to what the 9 ringgit level. Okay, so this one is the case study for today. Thank you very much and goodbye.